Okay, so for today's video, we have an unboxing for you guys today. Just one sneaker box actually over here, and this one is a Jordan 1. And from what I've seen in the pictures and stuff, this is probably one of the most slept on Jordan 1s in like 2020. Maybe in the last couple years actually. I've been very hyped to see this in person, and I'm very excited to open it up because I think these will actually blow up in resale value. And not only that, I just think they're a very like well-designed shoe. So I'm super stoked to open this one up. But before we do that, I do want to let you guys know that we actually have a giveaway running right now for a $500 pair of your dream sneakers. So it is running right now. I'm not sure if you guys have seen that video just yet, but I will link it up over here. And it's super easy to enter. It takes like 10 seconds. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at UntiedHawaii, and then also go to that previous video and comment in the comment section what your dream shoe is, your sneaker size, and also what your Instagram handle is so that I know that you guys are following on that social media platform. Anyway guys, let us open this one up. Jordan 1 box. Let's see what we got. So like I said, no surprises. As you guys know, this is the Jordan 1 box, and this one is in a size 10. And for this shoe right here, whew, it really is nice in hand. I'm very excited about this. This is a pair of the Jordan 1 Rage Greens. And this is freaking sick, man. I like this a lot. Oof, I really like this actually. You guys can check it out with me. This is the Jordan 1 High Zoom Rage Green colorway. And as you guys can see, it's a very unique Jordan 1. And as you guys can see on the toe box and on these middle panels over here, this is like kind of like a suede kind of finish. So very unique thing for a Jordan 1 over here. Also a lot of green accents over the entire shoe. The inner lining is also highlighted green, which I think is very cool. I really wish they didn't use like this clear bottom. I really hate this one. I wish it was just a standard bottom, but that's okay, because if you didn't have this clear bottom, you wouldn't be able to see these other accents of green over here and also red over here. So I guess it's a good trade-off. And I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but this is kind of like a 3M material also on the Nike swoosh over here. So just a really well-designed shoe, and I think it's very thought out. And again, very slept on. But I also think that's just because this shoe had like a weird kind of release. Originally, I thought this was going to be a global release, but these only dropped in like Europe and Asia, it seems like. Like I did not see any US releases for this stuff, so it was kind of strange. If it did have like a general release in the US and stuff, I think a lot more people would get behind this one. And I think a lot more people would be like very hyped over it, but it doesn't seem like that hype is there just yet. But that's actually a really good thing for you guys, because I do think that this one's gonna blow up in resale value over time. If you guys didn't know, the Jordan 1 High Zoom in like that white colorway, I can't even remember what it's called, racer blue, I think it was racer blue. That colorway is exploding in resale value right now after people were thinking they were bricks, especially for like the smaller sizes. Size 4, I think they're going for over $1,000. Like that's bids, not ass. Those are bids. You never really know which Jordan 1s are gonna pop off, but this one I feel like is gonna be one that a lot more people get behind, like as they see it more often. And as I see it, man, I might need to double up personally. This thing is really sick. Definitely my vote for the most slept on Jordan 1 of 2020 so far, and maybe the most slept on Jordan in like the last couple years. Anyway guys, that is actually it for this video. Really quick unboxing for you today. Didn't want to make this one super long. I just wanted to share this really cool pickup with you guys. So that is that, guys. Again, don't forget to enter the giveaway if you guys have not already. All of that information is linked in the description below. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!